Hey, 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 everybody! Welcome, and thank you for tuning in. We are finally at the finals of round 2 at Port Macquarie. The engine is still... Look, it's not the engine's fault. We have figured out that it's actually my fault. I made a mechanical error, and we have definitely figured out that I leaned it off too much. So it's not the engine's fault, but in saying that, the engine is still not at its peak performance. Keep in mind, and in my defense, this is the first time I've been in tag restricted medium, so I was still going off the data for restricted light, and the EGT was reading exactly how I have it in restricted light, and I've put on 12 kilos of lead, so yeah, it's going to bog down having it as lean as what I do in restricted light. So my fault. We figured it out. I'm an idiot, but I didn't know that I had done the wrong thing mechanically wise or tuning wise on the day. So I had only changed pretty much gearing to compensate for the boggingness of the engine. I never actually changed. I thought I changed the carby tune back to standard. I thought I did that, but when I got the kart out to get the engine off to give to my engine rebuilder, because I thought I had completely destroyed the inside of the engine, the carby tuning was still set to a bit past the standard setting, so it was still too lean, but I compensated by upping the gearing. It was better for the finals, but it was a huge battle and defending on my part to keep my position. I ended up getting second. The guy in front of me, 22, got DQ'd for some reason. Don't know why, it was a bit weird, but I finished third, but I got second. Big defense battle with the guy in fourth for the last few laps. Like it was great battling all around in this video. Definitely watch it all from start to finish and enjoy the video.